Okay, inside of this closet, we have a light. Rocker switch, shouldn't be a rocker switch. Okay. This is a normal size closet door. This door is a little more narrow. Okay. We're in the attic space. We're in the attic space. We've got air duct touching other air duct. We've got, we're missing saddles, so our nylon webbing is cutting into everything. Is where we got our water heater. We got a tankless water heater. Oh, look at that. Okay, kind of missing our safety pan. OSB, more rocker switches. Okay, in attics and for equipment like food waste disposals and for like air handlers. Ooh, that's spongy. I'm about to fall through this floor. Okay. 21 by 27 by 5. All right. I'm not seeing any bonding. No electric bonding on our yellow jacket CSSST. Primary evaporator coil does not have a P-trap. Primary evaporator coil is not insulated. (2020) 6 years old. Do not have a sediment trap on our gas piping. CSST is not bonded. Unprotected gas pipe and pedestrian walkway. I don't want people stepping on my gas pipe. You want people stepping on your gas pipe? Safety trays. Pans not aligned. Looks like I got some flue pops over here. If we worked on the flue pops, we're supposed to have. If we worked on our flue pops, we're supposed to have building permits. Our lights are supposed to have covers on them. Now this isn't making me happy. I'm only seeing 2, 3. Okay. I'm still missing an evaporator. I'm still missing an indoor air handler. Stand you right there. Supposed to have a clear, unobstructed walkway. I see refrigerant pipes. I see gas piping. Whew. This one has a sediment trap. Insulation too close to white can lights.